On this question, we want to use the substitution method or the elimination method to solve the system. The system of equations we have is 4x plus 2y equals 20 and 2x plus y equals negative 18. So I'll start by solving this with the substitution method, and then we'll try it again with the elimination method. So with the substitution method, you want to solve for one of the variables in either equation. So I notice that this variable doesn't have a coefficient, so I'm going to choose to solve for that variable. So I'm taking the second equation, and I'm going to solve for y. I'll subtract 2x on both sides, and that gives y equals negative 2x minus 18. So then the next thing we want to do is take that expression and substitute it into the other equation. So that's going to give 4x plus 2 times negative 2x minus 18 equals 20. This gives 4x minus 4x minus 36 equals 20. And as we start to solve this, we'll notice that our variables all cancel out. 4x minus 4x will be 0, and we're left with negative 36 equals 20. So when the variables cancel out, that means that we have one of our special cases. And what we do is we look at this statement and decide whether it's a true or false statement. The statement negative 36 equals 20 is a false statement. And what that indicates to me is that there is no solution to this system of equations. If it would have been false, that meant we were in the special case of infinite solutions, and the two lines were actually the same line. So now let's think about this in terms of the elimination method. So we have the same system, 4x plus 2y equals 20. That's 2x plus y equals negative 18. And with the elimination method, what you want to do is first decide which variable you want to eliminate. You can eliminate x or y. I would probably go for y because this coefficient is a 1. It's a little bit easier to manipulate. So I'm going to eliminate y. What I want is for the coefficients to be the same number with the opposite sign. So I need to find the least common multiple of 2 and 1. I use the coefficients of y. And that least common multiple is going to be 2. 2 divides into 2 evenly, 1 divides into 2 evenly. I already have a 2 on one of the coefficients of y, and so I'm going to change the other one to be a negative 2. So on my system, I'm going to be multiplying a negative 2 times the second equation to force the coefficients of y to be 2 and negative 2. So my first equation is unchanged. I'm just copying that one down. And the second equation becomes negative 4x minus 2y equals positive 36. Now I'm going to add the equations together. Now I only planned to eliminate y, but you can see that both x and y eliminate. 4x minus 4x is 0, 2y minus 2y is 0. So on the left-hand side, all the variables cancel out and we're left with 0. On the right-hand side, we add those constants together and we get 56. So once again, all of our variables canceled out. We're going to look at this final statement, decide if it's true or false. 0 equals 56 is false. And that leads me to there being no solution to this system of equations. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.